In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to change the system language on your MacBook. Now this one is the MacBook Air running macOS Ventura, but you can use these instructions for pretty much any other Mac computer. So what you need to do is go to the top left corner and click on the Apple logo and then select System Settings. Under System Settings, on the left hand side panel, click on General, and then under General, click on Language and Region. Now here you should see at the top there the option for preferred languages, and then you have your languages there. Now all you have to do is to move the language you want as the system language to the top. Okay, so the one at the top becomes the default language. So for instance, if you want French, just hold your left mouse button and drag French to the top. And then of course it's going to ask for your password. Provide that. Then click on Modify Settings. Might ask for your password again. And that language should become your default language. Now, I didn't move it quite to the top, so let's try that again. There you go. So once you select the language, it's going to request a restart. So it's going to have to restart your computer so that it just puts in the new language in the entire user interface of your MacBook. Now, I'm not going to restart just now. I'll just hold that back for a minute just to show you something else. If the language you want is not in this list, then all you have to do is click on this plus icon here and then look for the language you want. So let's say I want a language like Dutch. Okay, so you can either check from the list or search. Let's search for some languages here. For instance, let's add Italian. Okay, so select Italian and then click on add. And then it's going to ask, do you want to use this language right now? I'll just select the current language. And then you can see that language has been added to the list. And now all I need to do is move it up the ranks and make it the first language so that it becomes my default. Every time you change the language, your computer will request to restart. Now, you can also change the language for specific apps. To do that, let me first put English back as my default language. What you need to do is scroll down to the Applications section here, click on the plus icon, and then select a specific app that you want to change the language for. So let's say you want to change the language for this app, ExpressVPN. All you have to do is select the app and then come here to Languages and select a language for that specific app. And that's basically how to change the system language on your MacBook. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.